Our core business is providing road infrastructure. We also want to manage traffic. And where we start managing traffic, we need technology. So what we've implemented, for instance, in Gauteng, is a system with CCTV cameras. Typically, SANRAL provides information about where there are incidents, what are the expected delays that on different routes, and thereby assist people to make smarter choices. Another very important component of technology is the ability to manage the traffic on our networks. We do extensive traffic counts to understand the different traffic loading on our roads, on the road pavements. We are mandated to implement toll roads, and that is also where we use extensively the state-of-the-art technology that is out there, which makes it quicker for the user. We utilize our existing facilities much better because we can process about 3 times as much vehicles through electronic lane than through a normal manual payment lane.